Thousands of discarded foam boxes arrive here today to begin their second life.
Dirty waste isn't trash yet. It's the raw fuel for our new panels.
Manual sorting ensures only pure polystyrene enters the heavy machinery. Inside the hammer mill, bulky boxes get shredded into manageable flakes instantly.
Now reduced in size, the fragments require cleaning before melting.
High-pressure rinses remove glue residue and dirt trapped deep inside.
Excess moisture must be removed completely to prevent steam during melting.
Thermal drying prepares the polystyrene to bond without voids later. Ready flakes are loaded into the main extrusion system now.
This twin-screw engine will melt the flakes into a liquid state.
Friction and heat transform solid waste into a uniform molten polymer. The pressure builds inside until the polymer wants to escape. Consistency is key. We need perfect flow for structural integrity. The molten mixture fills the formwork that dictates our board dimensions. Heavy pressure compresses the air out of the polymer mix instantly. While compressed, the material chemically bonds for lasting durability. A timed cure ensures the molecular structure stabilizes permanently. The cycle finishes. Heat dissipates as we reveal the pressed slab.
Specialized grippers handle the hot material safely without touching heat.
Precision lifting prevents warping during the critical cooling phase. Rapid forced air lowers the temperature to prevent internal shrinkage. Once the surface hardens, the board maintains its square shape. Perfectly cooled boards are now stable for precision cutting work. Laser-guided blades cut the edges to exact specification tolerances. Negative airflow catches every shaving to keep the workspace safe. Straight edges ensure these boards stack tightly during installation. Automation handles the weight to prevent worker strain and injury. Every inch is verified to meet the strict insulation standards today.
Sound testing confirms there are no hidden air pockets inside. Approved products accelerate to the final wrapping station quickly.
Protective film keeps the clean surfaces scratch-free during transit. Tight sealing prevents moisture from reaching the recycled foam core.
Units are grouped into pallets for organized industrial shipping loads.
Industrial strapping secures the load so nothing shifts on the road.
Digital tagging links every pallet to a specific production batch number.
The factory prepares for distribution as daylight signals the shift change. Safety protocols ensure smooth traffic flow within the busy warehouse. Trucks are prepped to receive the insulation panels efficiently.
Careful driving protects both the cargo and the transport vehicle.
Stacking is calculated to maximize space and protect the panels. Efficient loading cycles fill the container in record time today. Security seals ensure the shipment arrives untouched at the destination. The journey begins for these panels to build better homes elsewhere. Clean floors are essential to prevent contamination tomorrow. And nothing leaves this facility as true waste. Everything finds a use. Maintenance logs track machine health to prevent future downtime. Data confirms we successfully diverted tons of waste from landfills.
As sun sets, the facility rests before the next day's recycling begins.
Security teams ensure the infrastructure remains safe during downtime.
Morning brings energy back to the production line engines. Steam lines activate first to warm up the entire plant infrastructure. Electrical systems synchronize to bring the complex machinery online. Mechanical belts warm up to avoid slipping under heavy loads.
With Systems Prime, we accept the next batch of foam containers.
The cycle repeats endlessly to support global insulation demand.
Steady extrusion rates confirm machine reliability is optimal today.
Consistency across shifts proves our recycling method works reliably. Human skill ensures the stack remains balanced for transport safety. Inventory levels rise steadily as the weekly production target is met. High efficiency scores drive us to innovate faster recycling methods. Laboratories analyze the microscopic structure for insulation performance.
Thermal imaging guarantees the panels will save energy in buildings.
Safety tests confirm these recycled materials resist fire hazards well.
Distribution never stops. Trucks queue up around the clock daily.
Drivers trust us to provide durable products for their clients. Repetition builds expertise, making every load safer than the last.
This facility stands as a monument to modern industrial recycling.
We reduce carbon footprint by turning old boxes into new protection.
These panels help insulate schools and homes across the nation.
End users feel the warmth and comfort this material provides. The machines rest, ready to wake up and recycle more tomorrow.
The people behind the process leave satisfied with their day's work.
Safe departure ensures everyone returns home healthy and rested. Innovation meets sustainability in every panel manufactured today. Waste transformed into value. Thank you for watching this process.